Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to discuss about Armstrong number in Python programming. How we are going to create the Armstrong number and how we are going to validate the given number is an Armstrong number or not in Python programming. So let us discuss what is mean by Armstrong number. So let us consider the example of number as 153. Let's take the number as 153. So we need to cube the each digits. So 1 cube, 5 cube and 3 cube. Adding of these number is written into the 153 means then the 153 is a Armstrong number. Okay. Again I will tell you. We are going to separate each digit. So 1 cube, 5 cube and 3 cube. Adding of these three values, it contains some values. So we are going to validate this number with the given number. Whether these two are equal, then the 153 is a Armstrong number. Defaultly 153 is the Armstrong number. So because 1 plus 5 cube is 125 and 3 cube is 27. So the total will be of 153. So that's why I have told this 153 is a Armstrong number. So how we are going to develop the Armstrong number in Python programming. So first I am assigning some value, that is number is equal to 153. So I didn't get the input from the user, I am directly giving the value to the variable called num. So first I have to convert the number into the string concept, then I am going to find the length of the given number. Okay. After that, so first I have checked the number. So if you want to check the other number, I have to write all the lines of code. So for that purpose I am going to create the concept called functions. So I am commonly write the code for the Armstrong number in a function. So whenever I am in need of that function, I am just calling that function. So this is the function creation. So in Python, how we are going to create the function is def, that is the definition. The sum is called as the function name bracket n. N is nothing but it is a parameter. So here I am passing only one parameter, that is the 153 is a number. So the number only I am passing. So that's why I have given the parameter as 1. So that is n value is replaced with the given number. So I am checking that number. Whether the given number is equal to 0 means automatically I have going to return the value as 0. Because 0 cube is always 0. So that's why. So if it is not 0, what kind of operations to be performed? So beginningly I have told that I have to square root, I have cube all the values separately and adding of all the values. That's concept I have written here. So how we are going to separate each digit? So here 153 is divided by 10. So the quotient, that is, that the remainder value 3, that is the power, plus the sum of n divided by 10. So again I am going to call that function. Some function is calling. So this kind of function is called as recursive function. That is, the function is calling itself. So here I have created the function called the sum. So inside of that function, again the sum is called. So that's why this is called as a recursive function. So here the function is created and it have some values. So I have to compare this value with the original value. How we are going to compare? So while for comparison, we know the concept called if, and the operator is equal to equal to. So here at the same concept is used here. If sum of number, so the number is replaced with 153. So here 153 is replaced. So sum is the function name. So here this is going to take care by this. So here sum number is replaced with 153. So here automatically n is replaced with 153. So here the operations are taken care. So whether the number square cube root of that number is equal to the given original number, then we can tell that as the given number is an Armstrong number. Or else we are going to tell that the given number is a not Armstrong number. So we are checked with the 153 here. So the 153 is equal to 0? No, definitely it is no. So here written n percentage then power plus some operations. Here what it is going to do is the given number 153 is divided by 3. So here the 3 is cube root and here plus again the value is passing 10. So that is 115 is passing here. So the number is replaced with 15. So 15 is not equal to 0. So here the again return of 15 divided by 10. Again it is going to replace with 5 cube plus this plus operator is written. So here again the root was calculated and 1 cube. So like this only it going to perform the Armstrong number. So here you can check with the another number also, that is 121. For example 121. 121 is not an Armstrong number. How we are going to tell that is not an Armstrong number? Means 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 1 cube. Definitely it is going to give the values 9 plus 1. So 11. So 121 is not equal to 11. So that's why I have told that 121 is not an Armstrong number. Okay, in this video we have discussed about Armstrong number. What is the meaning of Armstrong number? How we are going to validate the given number is the Armstrong number.